Hello and welcome to another short video. So you can see here that Binance Smart Chain has published a tweet saying, always download the wallet from the original website, Binance.org. Scammers are phishing a seed phrase prior to keep a fake wallet on Google Play. Please help us inform the BC community. Alright, so we are gonna test the scam wallet out. So I've got here my Android emulator, and you can see here, unfortunately, yes, when you download the wallet, please make sure it's the official one, that the publishers are the official ones. You can see here, it's saying on the publisher Binance.inc, Binance Inc. But unfortunately, you can see here lots of people are downloaded. So also with the recensions there, so with the reviews, all of them are fake, or like, yeah, basically all of them. If we quickly would look over it, so you can't see any here though. These were just ratings, or maybe it's because of the phone. But right, so let's test it out. So I'm gonna download that one here. So let's install it. Right, I'm also quickly change the format here. And let's see. Okay, so now let's open the app here. And what does it want from us? Okay, great. So let's see the banker network. We ask blah blah. So apparently now it's the banker network and not Binance, I guess. Blah blah. Okay, it looks quite professional. Let's see. Okay, yeah, so there it starts. So you can even see here the lorem ipsum parts. So lorem ipsum is a website for what was it? Yeah. Lorem ipsum is a website where you can generate some boilerplate text which you use on your websites, because you don't know what you should type there, and it's quite funny that there are even lorem ipsum parts in there. You see here lorem ipsum is used since the 1500s, blah blah. You can see here they're betting on it, the users don't even read that, and now they're calling it the banker network. Then again talking about lorem ipsum sections, blah blah. Yeah, so that's quite wild here. So I hope at least at that point you should know this is a scam. But okay, let's go on. What else can we see here? But overall the UI is done very professionally. So you can see here it looks good. It also uses these color schematics of Binance. Welcome to the Binance Chain Wallet. Secure and trusted multi-chain wallet. Yeah, I bet. Okay, so we can see here they're so nice that they offer us to watch an Ethereum address, but we can't even click on that because they automatically redirect us to connect with a recovery key. So they automatically get us there. Okay, cool. So let's give them some recovery keys. So we'll later find out. I can use Wireshark and find out what the requests are going to be. I can check their traffic and then report websites where it's being sent to. So they have some kind of database, whatever. We could later, so I won't attack it, but I could, but never mind. So let's go on here. So I'm gonna just quickly generate a mnemonic. Oh, well, let's try a different one. Yeah, it's Brad. Whatever. So let's just see if the words here. Well, let's copy some of those. You know what? Let's copy some of these here and exchange it later. Let's see if it's a happy. What if, for example, okay, no, they're even checking the consistency if one of these works. Cool. But yep, I'm going to give them one of those and let's see what happens. So this is the worst part. If you would give them your mnemonic somewhere right now, obviously just generating any mnemonic, not giving them my mnemonic, because otherwise it would be quite dumb. But we can see here. Okay, let's. I'm just kind of thinking about. I will quickly start Wireshark in the background. Alright, so like I said, my packet tracer called Wireshark is running in the background and analyzing all the outgoing packets and incoming packets. So as soon as you click here, it's going to be sending a packet to the scammer web service or whatever they're using, and then they're going to write it to the database. But now we can find out where they're located, if they even have a domain, maybe, so can block. So I might be able to get their domain blocked, but let's see what happens. So I'm gonna click on that. Cool, now it's doing some stuff. Okay, and now it's there, the DNS request. That's awesome. And I'm gonna pause now. I've got everything I wanted to get. Cool. So I've already got it there. So that it was a DNS request as far as I can see here. We'll analyze it later. But I think I saw it go by. But let's go on here. Okay, so now I can see my balance of 0, 0. Let's see what I can do here. Now it's going to be interesting. So they're showing me 0, 0. Okay, it's interesting. So I'm just wondering if it even works. So probably they know that the balance is 0. So I guess the basic functionality might be even here. Or is it just not showing anything? Nope. I can click on convert though. So I'm just wondering. So probably because my balance is 0. So, but I'm definitely not gonna try with an account with a balance on it. But yeah, so like I said, it's just, or maybe they didn't even implement that. So the main part was about connecting it to a wallet, you're entering your family seed or private key, and it's all it wanted. So maybe it doesn't even work at all, which is my assumption here. I won't be able to test it, I won't, because I don't want to give them any crypto, even if it's just like €1 worth of crypto, but no thanks. So the main point I want to make here is, please always, read everything when you download the wallet. I hope the red flag would have popped up immediately if you have read the terms and conditions, or also it was made very badly. So so the overlay in design is done very professionally, but still. Please always make sure that you download the right app. You have to make sure that the publisher is the person the publisher says it is, and yeah, just be safe and be careful there. I will also try to get it removed from the Google Play Store. But like I said, it's just a warning here. They also put the warning out there. But the problem is, if even like 1 to 3 people fall for that, that's just, yeah, bad. Like I said, so some people also, if people tend to put left savings into that and then suddenly said, yeah, they want to whatever use the wallet, everything will be gone, and it's very hard to trace. So it is traceable, but there, yeah, it depends. But yeah. Alright then, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.